Hey everyone, thanks for popping in and checking out this video. Today we have a howitzer shell. It is 3D printed and hand painted by myself. Slowly improving. It's got some crazy good detail in this. Absolutely loving the model. This one's been a custom job. As you can see there, it's got all the little timer and the delays. Bit hard to see in this light. There we go. And all the same writing as that we would have on an actual shell. It's come out pretty good. A few little modifications I'd like to make for the next one. That'll just get rid of some of this rippling effect there. And a little bit of the stepping just up here. But yeah, overall, super happy with it. This one's for a friend of mine. If you're a military fan or a 3D printing fan, give us a follow and let me know in the comments what kind of weaponry or shells, ammunition of any kind you might like to see 3D printed. And who knows, maybe we'll get around to doing one like that. Cheers guys, hope you like it.